This video demonstrates two different methods that can be used to resolve an issue that occurs when adding a new permission set in Salesforce, and the permission set is not reflected in the Okta user assignments page. This issue occurs when the application data from Salesforce is no longer up to date in Okta after changes were made on the Salesforce side. In this first demonstration, a new permission set called Permission Set Test 1 was added in Salesforce. From the Okta dashboard, navigate to Salesforce, Assignments, and click the pencil icon to open the Edit User Assignment page. Scroll down and verify that the new permission set Permission C Test 1 is not available. Press Cancel. Re-authenticate the API credentials that are used for provisioning to from Salesforce, which will trigger the download and updating of application data into Okta. This will only refresh the application data for Salesforce. Select the Provisioning tab, navigate to the integration setting and click Edit. Verify the OAuth consumer key and OAuth consumer secret entered. Click Re-authenticate with Salesforce.com. You should see a new pop-up Salesforce.com window open automatically. Please check your web browser settings to turn off any pop-up Windows blocker before you perform this step. In the new Salesforce.com window, enter the administrator username and password that were used to create the connected OAuth app and press Login. Click Allow to permit access to the connected app. Back on the provisioning page in Okta, you will see a message confirming that Salesforce was verified successfully. Click Save. Navigate to Salesforce, Assignments, and click the pencil icon to open the Edit User Assignment page. Scroll down to check the permission sets to confirm that the new permission for Set Permission Set Test 1 is now available. A second method can also be used to ensure that a new permission set added in Salesforce is reflected in the Okta User Assignments page. For this second demonstration, a new permission set called Permission Set Test 2 was added in Salesforce. From the Okta dashboard, navigate to Salesforce, Assignments, and click the pencil icon to open the Edit User Assignment page. Scroll down and verify that the new Permission Set Test 2 is not available. Press Cancel. Navigate to Applications and the Applications tab. Click on More and select Refresh Application Data. This will trigger an import of application data for all applications configured with provisioning. Once complete, a success message will display indicating the application information was downloaded. In the search window, enter Salesforce.com permission sets and select the option that displays. From the Assignments tab, click the pencil icon to open the Edit User Assignment page. Scroll down to check the permission sets to confirm that the new permission for the Set Permission Set Test 2 is now available. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.